Hey everyone, Chang here. This is the practice problem video series. For today's standard test question, we have this, which focuses on trapezoid. Now, the question itself, what is the area of the trapezoid WXYZ? Well, WXYZ, this is clearly the trapezoid. Now, first and foremost, there are several things we have to recall. The area of a trapezoid, the formula for it, if you can remember, the area is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Now, base 1 and base 2. This is base 1 and this is base 2. But, I mean, you can use whichever one is base 1 or base 2. Usually trapezoid has two of them. So you can intermingle them or switch them around. Your choice. Now, we have our base 1. I'm just write it right here. Base 1, let's just call this B1, and this is base 2. Now, we have 1/2. What we're missing is the height. The height of the trapezoid is usually one that's perpendicular to the base. So let's just draw it right here so you can see it. So that's usually something what we call a height. So this would be our height. That's what we want to know. Now, the other thing we need is, well, we need the height, but we have a 30 degrees, which is actually extremely helpful. So hopefully you guys can see this. You have 30 degrees. This is going to be 60 degrees then, because guess what? The height is usually perpendicular to the base. That means we know immediately this is the right triangle. 30, and this is going to be 60 degrees. Now, why is that important? This is based on the special triangle, the 30, 60, 90. So, if you have a triangle, the ratio of the triangle, let's just say this is 30 degrees. This is 60 degrees right here. I drew it a little small. Okay, what we know is that the hypotenuse, if we were to say, is going to be 2. The smaller, across the smaller angle, which is 30 degrees, is going to be 1. And across 60 degrees is going to be square root 3. Okay, so that's our ratio. Well, in that case, we have a special triangle right here. This is 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees, this is your 90 degrees. We know that the ratio is going to be 2, 1, root 3. Well, this is a 4, so something multiplied by 2 is going to have to be 4. So that's going to be, guess what? 2, right? 2 times 2 is 4. So that's what we know. If this is going to be times 2, I mean this must be times 2 and this must be times 2 to fit that into this, I guess you could say mold, this special triangle. So, for h is going to be 2 times what this is, which is going to be 1. So this is going to give us 2 right here. And in all honesty, the other one, the base itself, for the special triangle, doesn't matter to us. Because what we really want is the height right here. So in that case, 1/2 times base 1, which is going to be 8, plus base 2, which is going to be 10, times our height. In this case, we know that it's going to be 2. Let's just make it right here because that's something we plugged in. 2. Now, here's the lucky part. 1/2 times 2, that cancels out. Gone. So basically, in the end, our area is just going to be 8 plus 10, which is 18. So, area is equal 18. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.